Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today I'm going to show you how to change your drop links on a Peugeot Rcz. So sometimes with the bad British roads you're going to get a little bit of knocking now and again from all the potholes in the road. Now the way to tell is just this, look. And they shouldn't really be, it should be pretty hard to move those. Now what I've bought to replace these are Febi-Bilstein. There's the item code if you need it. Now you've got two types of these. You can either have the steel ones or you can have the aluminium ones, and I've been told these give a slightly better driving feel to the steering wheel, so I've opted for aluminium. So without further ado, let me show you the quickest way to change these drop links. First you want to do is remove the ABS sensor holder. You just pull that to the side and then wiggle it off. One thing I would do the night before is use some penetrating fluid, just spray it around the back and the front, and then on the day that you're actually doing the job would be get some brake cleaner and just clean off any excess dirt on the top and on the bottom, so it gives you a better chance of getting these off. Now there's two ways of doing this. You can either use the old school method, which is you just use a 16, this is a 17 I know, but I'm just demonstrating. You can do a 16 and then you put a T50 in the middle, so you're holding it there and then just ratcheting it out. Or you can do the easy method, which is the one I'm going to show you, which is you get a 17, you look it onto the back of the drop link, and then you get a 16 like this, and then you crack it off and then just spin. And that just comes off. That's the easiest way. I'm now going to do that on the bottom as well. So what you do is you get it on like this, and then you get your 16 on here. And there you go. As easy as that. Now I must apologise, I couldn't show you actually fitting the drop link because I was having problems with my SD card, but I can assure you it's really easy. Just pull it out and slide it back in. Just for science, I've actually just snapped this in two, and as you can clearly see, this is aluminium. So if you are going to order some of these, make sure you get aluminium because that is the manufacturer's spec. Now on to the other side. I'm glad I'm doing both these at the same time, guys, because look at that. Absolutely shot. Thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe.